Test, test. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to the OneClass channel. My name is Andrew and I'm currently doing Stats and Math at University of Toronto. And today we'll be going over some commonly asked mathematical questions at both the high school level and college level. And if you need some homework help or tutoring, please check out the link in the description below. So now let's start our session. Alright, so the first question, let me just zoom in a bit. Okay. Good. It's asking us, what is the square root of 14? Okay, so let's write it down here. So, what is the square root of 14? Yeah. So, in order to simplify the square root of 14, we have to rewrite the number using method of prime factorization. Right, so we need to use the method of prime factorization. Right. So hence we determine the prime factors of the given number by trivial division. So let's write it down here. So determine the prime number, the prime factors of the given number by division. So we will have 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. And so if we want to move 2 to the other side, it will be 14 is equal to 2 times 7. Right. So using the above equation, we can express the square root of 14 as, so it's right here, so express the square root of 14 as root 14 is equal to root 2 times 7. Right. And now we observe that none of the factors can be pulled out of the square root, and which means the radicals expression cannot be simplified. So let's write it here. None of the factors can be pulled out of the square root, which means the radical expression cannot be simplified. Right. So, therefore, we can write our conclusion. Oops. So, therefore, the radical expression root 14 is already simplest form. Right. So that's all we have for this question. Because when we at this step, we found out that none of the factors can be pulled off the square root. So root 14 will be the simplest form. But so let's say we are asking the square root of 81. So in this case, because 81 is equal to 9 times 9, right? So it also can be written as net square, and then if we want to take the square root of something square, that will be equal to the number itself. So in this case, the square root of root 81 will be equal to 9. As you can see here, we can still factor the 9 out, but in our case, like the 14 case, this 2 and 7 are already the prime factors, so none of the factors can be pulled out of the square root. So that's why we have root 14 as our answer. So I think that's all we have for this question. Let's leave a comment. Solution is correct. Well done.